Hey everybody, this is Sifu Mantam. Today I will be going over the rolling 7-star. It's similar to the other 7 stars, except I call it rolling because this is a technique we do with the lion where we roll while we play this beat. Okay, so I'm going to just play an example first. So in the end, you can hear like there's a roll. That's when the lion is rolling and then he gets up. So the beginning of this is pretty simple, but it looks complicated and flashy because my hands are going around. But I'll break it down for you. You're going to start with your left hand, hit 1, and then start with your right hand, but go to your far left side and go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1. Start with your left hand. 1. Okay? We're going to do that 3 times, except we alternate the hands. It's going to go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2. So when I mean alternating, your striking drum hand is always alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 1, 2. Now the last part is the roll. Almost the same thing without the clicks, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2. So we'll put that together. We'll start with the clicks, right?